This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Starter motor. Removal. Battery negative lead disconnection and reconnection. Release the clip, remove the battery cover and terminal cover, then slacken the nut and pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. It's also advisable to insulate the battery terminal to prevent accidental reconnection. Position the workshop jack adjacent to the jacking point indicated by a triangular notch in the sill. Raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground, then place an axle stand under the sill flange at the jacking point. Remove the jack. Engine under tray. Remove the single screw at the front edge of the under tray. Undo the torque screws along the outer edges and the screws at the rear. Slide the under tray rearwards and remove it. Unclip and remove the air intake duct cover, then unclip and remove the intake duct. Disconnect the vacuum hose and wiring plug, then release the clamp and disconnect the air outlet hose. Undo the retaining bolt adjacent to the battery, then pull the assembly from its mountings. Slide out the locking clip, disconnect the wiring plug, pull back the plastic cover and disconnect the battery positive lead from the solenoid. Undo the nut, move the lower bracket to one side, then remove the lower mounting bolt. Remove the upper mounting bolt and lower the starter motor from place. Maneuver the starter motor into position. Insert the upper mounting bolt and lower mounting bolt. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque, then refit the bracket to the lower bolt and tighten the nut securely. Locate the battery positive lead over the solenoid terminal, tighten the nut, refit the plastic cover and reconnect the wiring plug. Maneuver the air cleaner assembly into position, pressing it down firmly into its mountings, then refit and tighten the retaining bolt. Maneuver the under tray into position, then slide it forwards to engage with the front panel. Refit, then tighten the screws at the rear edge, outer edges, and the single screw at the front. Press the negative lead clamp down over the battery negative terminal, then tighten the retaining nut securely. Where applicable, refit the terminal cover, then refit the battery cover. Raise the vehicle, remove the axle stand, then lower it to the ground.